About this item: high voltage certified 3.1A fast charging and sync speed, supports safe high speed charging up to 3.1A and fast data transfer up to 480 Mbps conforming to the USB Type-C specification version 1.1, 56 kOhm, which ensures a safe charging. White heavy checkmark. Upgraded 3D aluminum connector, keeps up with the latest trend of USB interface. This user-friendly design allows you to plug into all your USB-C compatible devices without worrying about the orientation of the port. Flexed biceps last 10x stronger and perfect. USB to USB-C cable has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. It built-in laser welding technology, which ensure the metal part won't break. The longer SR anti-break design enhances the durability of the cable. With 40,000 plus times bend test, the flexible and durable double braided nylon Type-C cable longer service life and will never rupture. Loudspeaker universal compatibility, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22, S21, S20, S10, S10e, S9, S8 Plus/Face/Ultra, Note 2010 98. A73, A72, A71, A53, A52, A51, A50, A42, A33, A32, A23, A22, A21, A20, A13, A12, A11, A10e, A03, SA02s, Tablet S8, S7, S6, Kindle Fire HD 10/8, Google Pixel, LG Moto GPS 5 controller and more. USB-C devices. Growing hard warranty and return or refund is acceptable. We provide this nylon braided USB 2.0 Type-C cable with 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer service. If you want to return or refund